So you'll go into the YouTube channel, and here you'll see Home Video Playlist Community. You'll just click on Videos, and then in this area you'll say Manage Videos. And then you'll see the list come up, and this is the test video that I put in there. And if you go in there, you can actually just edit the video right in here by just clicking on it. Then here is where you select the playlist. And if you wanted to add a new playlist, you could just add that there, or you could select one of the existing ones. And then you would also show more if you wanted to change any of these other settings, the language and so on. But over here is where you would make it visible. You would change it from unlisted to public, and then that would it would then appear in the list of videos that you have on your channel. And then you would just hit save, and it would take that into the channel list. And then when you would go back there, you would basically come back to your channel, and then in your channel, your playlist, that video would be added to that playlist. And really, that's all there is to adding that video into your playlist.